Cyanobacteria is a group of photosynthetic bacteria and commonly found in many types of waters. But when exposed to favorable conditions, they can rapidly grow and multiply into we call the blooms.
There are a variety of different types of cyanobacteria, and they all respond differently to different treatments. So you have to know which type you're dealing with to be able to treat it properly.
Effective managing the cyanobacteria is really the multivariate approach. So therefore, the Water Research Foundations cover the variety of topics, including source water control and management, treatment techniques, analysis methods, and then risk communications.
The Water Research Foundation started researching cyanobacteria in the early 1990s. So we have over 30 years of research and over 40 projects.
At the Water Research Foundation, we're working closely with our utility partners to take a comprehensive approach to addressing cyanotoxins. And that means focusing on source water, what is generating the cyanotoxins, and how do we minimize those effects?
It's just easier if you can be on top of it instead of waiting for red flags. For example, if you have an extreme flooding event, fertilizer can be washed into the waterway and help lead to cyanoblooms in the future.
And the second challenge that utility has is there is no single analysis method to measure all the variants of the cyanotoxins. Therefore, the utilities has encountered the challenges how to interpret the data and what analysis they use for their specific case.
And that's a space that the Water Research Foundation is really in. We have a couple active projects and a whole portfolio out there. And really what we're trying to do is provide utilities with the tools and modeling methods to tackle the problem head on within their source water before it gets into their utility.
There are a variety of ways utilities can treat cyanotoxins once they get into their treatment system.
However, it's really important that they know specifically what type of cyanotoxins they're treating, because if you're targeting the wrong one, you're not going to have as high of efficiency of removal. Utility communication on harmful algal blooms is really important. So we have a variety of resources out there for utilities to look at to determine the best way to talk to the public, how to talk to public health officials, so that they know if their water is safe to drink, if it's safe to play in recreational bodies. Again, it's all about being proactive. The Water Research Foundation takes a holistic approach to cyanobacteria. It's connected to our nutrient portfolio, it's connected to our stormwater portfolio, it's connected to our general monitoring portfolio. The problem is ever evolving, which is why we need to continue to research the problem.
What makes the Water Research Foundation unique is that we're a connector. We exist at the intersection between utilities and researchers. We help to bring these folks together to address the greatest challenges facing the water sector today.